Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about such beautiful gadgets which were made based on some special features. You can enjoy a lot of astonishing information about some drones which is shocking and surprising. So please don't miss a second of this video to enjoy this without any hesitation. Let's see which one is the last. Number 17. Drone gun. Drone is used for various purposes like videography or photography, and it can run after you as a spy. You can use drone to keep eyes on someone. In this world, there are many places where entry is restricted, so people want to cover those areas by flying some drone for getting information about those areas or keeping eye on someone. In this situation, you can use a drone gun for controlling any kinds of drone. This is used especially by the military from a long distance. You can control any kind of drone from 2.5 kilometers away. The main purpose is to use this gun to make the drone landed. Just target the drone and trigger the switch. It will safely land where you want. This is especially used by the militaries because their areas are restricted for the no-fly zone. If anyone sends their drones, they cannot do anything. So they target it and take over the control easily with this drone gun. Friends, what do you think about this gadget? Please share with us in the comments section. Number 16. Luckily Secure Pro. Guys, which door locking system we use is very problematic. Only you can unlock your door with the key which you bring. If someone comes to your home when you are far from home and cannot access without your coming, you need to come to your home and unlock your door. But you can use the smart lock system to feel more comfortable with your home security. Just install this in your home and stay rock. This locking system provides you password system unlocking option. You can give anyone a one-time password to unlock your door. Whenever your door is locked, down and unlocked, you will be notified on your phone. You can use biometric security system also in the smart lock. Even all kinds of assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri can control this lock if you give them access. So, this is very helpful for your home security. Number 15. Mutrix GB30. If you're a gamer, then this gadget will be very helpful for you. When you're busy playing games, eye security along with game sound is important. This glass will help you to hear the game sound clearly without any obstacles. Though it is made with heavy stylish design, but it works fine. Anyone sitting beside you cannot hear the sounds which you can. Even this is made with such a glass which protects your eyes from the rays of your mobile phone. So, guys, this is a fantastic gadget for those who find themselves busy in gaming with their mobile phones. You can easily keep your eyes busy with your mobile phone for hours and hours using this beautiful technology, keeping your eyes safe with beautiful sound. So, one like will be perfect for this one, guys. Number 14. Keep Bag Futuristic Bag. As we use normal bags in everyday life, but this bag can be used as normal bags, even having some extra high-tech features. You can show an RGB backlight in which you can represent your mood with emoji or text. Even animation can be played in this display with built-in sounds. Playing a favorite song is easy with the speaker. There are some USB ports where you can connect your phone and can charge them. There is a lithium 30,000 battery and its weight is around 2 kg. Number 13. MatterNet Station. Guys, sometimes we go to one pathology lab to taste our blood. But unfortunately, this can go to some uncertain place for a long time, for which we face trouble getting the report in time. Again, sometimes the sample we gave becomes spoiled because of late. But this gadget is so helpful and works like a delivery man. Just put your things in the station. An automated system will help your things to reach the destination with the help of drones. Whenever your products reach to another station, you will be notified as soon as possible. Then the collector can take out this from the station. Researchers think that this technology will cover the home delivery industry in the future world. So, don't forget to share it with your friends. Number 12. Home Folding Bike. E-bike is going to be the most popular all over the world because of its usability. People like this very much. The reason is that there is no pollution matters and no need to buy petrol or diesel. If you also like, then you can try this folding bike, which is very handy and carryable. The most advantage is the small size of this bike, so that you can carry it on your backpack. You can go more than 30 km at one charge and can run up to 18 km per hour. This is just awesome to go anywhere as a single person. Lithium battery is used in this bike and charging time is 4 to 6 hours. So if you're fond of using an e-bike, then I recommend you to use this one. Just use one time and you will be fascinated by this gadget. Number 11. Voice. Guys, we use usually such a smartwatch where there is no speaker or headset system. For this reason, we face problems using the phone. Again, some smartwatch allows you to use a separate headset, but it costs more money and not so comfortable. But this gadget is different from them. With the stylish design, a ring is attached to this, which can be separated from your watch. Whenever your phone is ringing, just remove the ring and put it on the ear. Then, enjoy the whole comfort of using a mobile phone. That means to answer the call, no need to use your mobile phone. It allows you to talk with others using Bluetooth head system. I think this is a high-tech smartwatch and different from other smartwatches of the market. So, if you want to use this one, don't delay to concern us. Number 10. Kai. Friends, most of the people use a touchpad or mouse to control their computer, but other things like AC, TV, etc. are remote controlled. But this device makes you delighted in using your computer easily. You can easily continue your editing, designing, modeling, etc. using this device on your computer. Again, this small device can control most of all your gadgets like AC, TV, drone, smart doors, home assistant, etc. Just command your devices moving your hands easily. It is just a miracle that you can control your computer to home appliance using just one technology. I personally like this one very much. How do you feel about that? Share it with us. Number 9. Foldable Bottle. Guys, sometimes we face problems in carrying long bottles during our journey. But this foldable bottle can be shrink and you can carry it in your handbag. Even in need, you can fill the bottle with water and again, you can shrink it. It is very helpful during our journey to anywhere. There are no hazels to bear a hard bottle. Just buy it from Amazon and enjoy. Number 8. Handy Can Opener. When we try to open a can, it costs us heavily. Even people may often with pressure, which is so difficult. You can make this easy with this handy can opener. Just set the opener on the can and press the switch. It will open the can automatically without any efforts. This can be so useful for the kitchen. Number 7. Wing light indicators. If you're fond of cycling, then this light will be helpful for you. A small light is trickling always and it will help you to indicate you're turning during cycling. To avoid accidents, this is a useful assistant. It looks cool and you can set this light with your cycle's handle easily, which will help you to confirm you're safe cycling at night. Number 6. Drew-Me washing machine. We almost mostly use an electric washing machine for washing our clothes. But this non-electric portable washing machine can replace that because of having many advantages. This is operated manually. After putting some clothes in it, just press the handle more and more. Within 10 minutes, your clothes will be washed. This is small in size and easy to use, so you can try this one. Number 5. Card Sharp. This small thing like a sharp knife. You can carry this into your wallet and can use anytime. This works fine like a real steel knife. You can cut anything with this card sharp. It will cost you a little amount and you can buy it from Amazon. Number 4. Print brush. This is one kind of painter that means a digital printer. You can print anything like text, pictures, visual graphics, and so on. Even printing on any object is easy for this print brush. Just connect your phone to this printer and select the text or photos which you want to print. Then, swipe the print brush on the bags, papers, or anything where you want to print. Number 3. Misa. Friends, we're introducing more advanced robots day by day for different tasks. But this small robot is such one by which you can complete your job and your children can play with this. You want to gift a teddy bear to your children. Then instead of that gift, this one so that they will get a companion in playgrounds. They can learn from this. Even there are cameras in this gadget so that you can monitor your home with this. You can order from your office or outside. So this advanced technology is just fantastic. Your children can play with them and can learn with them also. From my point of view, this is the best part of your home as far as you need, because with the education of your children, you can confirm your home security with this gadget. So don't miss the chance to use this. Number 2. Prinker tattoo is now a trending hobby of most of the people. But if you want to save your time and money, then you can draw your favorite tattoo at home using this printer. Now, you were thinking about this difficult task, right? But believe me, there is nothing hard. Just use this and sketch your tattoo. You will get an app support with a lot of tattoo designs. You can customize almost all of the designs. You can draw your design with all of this. Just draw then and use this gadget to put a beautiful tattoo on your soft skin. It will make a beautiful tattoo according to your skin category. The drawing ink permanent and waterproof, but it can be removed using a special cream. So, if you're interested in sketching statue, use this awesome technology which is unbelievable. Number 1. StikBox. Guys, most often you use the selfie stick, which is long for carrying. So, you can use this one, which is just like a mobile case box. It is built with some sticks which you can open anytime like a selfie stick. You can make it small and long and can also click on the selfie button for getting a proper selfie. As it is just a mobile case, so none faces trouble to carry it. So guys, these are the high-tech gadgets of today. If you want to buy any one of these, please go to our description box and you will get the links of each product.